me? Don't worry, you'll be fine.
How much do you want to go?
I don't want to go.
We can push you in there if you want.
Pull him back. Give her a whirl.
All right. I got a green light. You're good? You good? All right, man.
Wow! We're gonna fucking die!
No, we're not. That's good too, though.
No, it's so not. I want out!
Oh, now we gotta go front
Oh my god, I'm fucking scared.
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
I would rather go backwards.
Dude, I'm scared.
Fuck this! I cannot believe I like this shit.
Forward.
Oh my god, oh my god. No!
Look at this thing. Up they come.
I want out. Let's fucking on.
Wow, I'm scared.
I'm fucking terrified.
I don't want to go frontward.
I want to go backwards. Oh my god.
Look, fireworks. They just locked
You
somebody.
know we're gonna drop, right? Like right now?
Frontward, yeah. I am like so
Okay,
scared.
be ready, because we're gonna drop like right now. You ready?
Yeah, we're still not gonna.
Ah, holy fuck!
Get you a scrub.